Imagine a world where your business runs itself, a world where the mundane, repetitive tasks that consume your time are handled seamlessly by intelligent systems. No more late nights glued to your laptop, trying to catch up on work that never seems to end. Picture yourself spending evenings with your family or pursuing hobbies you love, instead of being chained to your desk. No more weekends lost to tedious tasks. Imagine having the freedom to enjoy your weekends, knowing that your business is running smoothly without your constant oversight. This isn't a fantasy. This is the power of automation, and it's transforming the landscape for small businesses everywhere. Automation is not just for large corporations, it's a game changer for small business heroes like you. In today's fast-paced world, small businesses are facing more competition than ever. The market is crowded, and standing out requires more than just hard work, it requires smart work. To survive and thrive, you need every advantage you can get. You need to be agile, efficient, and innovative. Automation provides you with the tools to do just that. Automation is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the difference between staying afloat and propelling your business to new heights. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's the key to unlocking hidden efficiencies, freeing up your valuable time and catapulting your business to new heights. Imagine the possibilities when you can focus on strategic growth rather than operational headaches. But here's the good news. Automation doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. There are solutions tailored specifically for small businesses, designed to be user-friendly and cost-effective. With the right tools, even the smallest businesses can harness the power of automation to streamline their operations, boost productivity, and ultimately, achieve greater success. Automation can handle everything from marketing campaigns to customer service, allowing you to focus on what you do best. This is where GoHighLevel comes in. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform specifically designed to help small businesses automate their marketing, sales, and customer service processes. It's a comprehensive solution that brings all your business needs under one roof. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform specifically designed to help small businesses automate their marketing, sales, and customer service processes. Imagine having a system that can manage your email campaigns, track customer interactions, and even automate follow-ups, all without you lifting a finger. It's like having an entire team of experts working for you around the clock, without the hefty price tag. With GoHighLevel, you can scale your business operations, improve customer satisfaction, and drive more sales, all while reducing your workload. Embrace the future of business with automation, and watch your small business soar to new heights. Think of GoHighLevel as your secret weapon in the competitive arena of business. It's the tool that levels the playing field, allowing you to compete with the big players without breaking the bank. Unlike generic automation software, GoHighLevel is tailor-made for the unique needs of small businesses. It's packed with features and functionalities designed to simplify and automate the tasks that often consume valuable time and resources. Imagine this: leads flowing effortlessly into your sales funnel, appointments being booked automatically, and follow-up emails being sent without you lifting a finger. That's the power of GoHighLevel. This powerful platform empowers you to focus on what truly matters: growing your business, nurturing relationships, and pursuing your passions. Let's dive deeper into how GoHighLevel can revolutionize your marketing, sales, and customer service processes. Marketing is the lifeblood of any business, but it can also be incredibly time-consuming. GoHighLevel takes the hassle out of marketing by automating your entire marketing funnel. From email campaigns and social media posts to landing pages and lead magnets, GoHighLevel empowers you to create a seamless and automated marketing machine that works tirelessly to attract, engage, and convert prospects into paying customers. Imagine crafting targeted email sequences that nurture leads over time, sending personalized messages based on their behavior and scheduling social media posts in advance. GoHighLevel makes it all possible, freeing you from the shackles of manual marketing tasks. With GoHighLevel, you can track the performance of your campaigns in real time, identify what's working and what's not, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your marketing efforts for maximum impact. Section 4, Sales Superpowers, Turning Leads into Loyal Customers on Autopilot. In this section, we will explore how you can leverage automation to transform your sales process, making it more efficient and effective. Closing deals is the name of the game in business, and GoHighLevel helps you close more deals with less effort. Imagine a world where your sales team can focus on what they do best, building relationships and closing deals, while the repetitive tasks are handled automatically. By automating your sales process, you can nurture leads, qualify prospects, and guide them seamlessly through your sales funnel without lifting a finger. Automation ensures that no lead is left behind, and every potential customer receives the attention they deserve. GoHighLevel's powerful CRM system allows you to keep track of every interaction with your leads, from the first point of contact to the final sale. This comprehensive tracking helps you understand your customers better and tailor your approach to meet their needs. Imagine automatically sending personalized follow-up emails after a prospect downloads a lead magnet. These emails can be customized to address the specific interests and pain points of each lead, increasing the chances of conversion. Scheduling appointments based on their availability becomes a breeze with automation. No more back-and-forth emails to find a suitable time. The system handles it all, ensuring that your calendar is always up to date and your prospects are never left waiting, and even sending automated payment reminders. This ensures that you get paid on time every time without having to chase down clients. Automated reminders are a gentle nudge that keeps your cash flow steady and your clients happy. GoHighLevel transforms your sales process into a well-oiled machine, freeing you to focus on building relationships and closing high-value deals. Automation takes care of the mundane tasks, allowing your team to concentrate on strategic activities that drive growth. No more missed opportunities, no more manual data entry, just a streamlined sales process that runs like clockwork. With GoHighLevel, you can rest assured that your sales process is optimized for maximum efficiency and effectiveness, giving you a competitive edge in the market. In conclusion, turning leads into loyal customers on autopilot is not just a dream, it's a reality with GoHighLevel. By leveraging the power of automation, you can enhance your sales process, improve customer satisfaction, and ultimately drive more revenue for your business. So why wait? Start transforming your sales process today and watch your business soar to new heights. Section 5. Customer service on steroids, keeping clients happy. 24/7. In today's customer-centric world, providing exceptional customer service is paramount to success. Customers expect quick, efficient, and personalized responses to their inquiries, and businesses that fail to meet these expectations risk losing their clientele to competitors who do. GoHighLevel empowers you to deliver exceptional service without breaking a sweat. With its suite of automation tools, you can streamline your customer service processes, ensuring that no customer query goes unanswered, and that every interaction is handled with the utmost care and efficiency. Imagine setting up an automated chatbot that answers common customer queries instantly 24/7. This means that even when your team is off the clock, your customers can still get the help they need whenever they need it. This not only improves customer satisfaction but also frees up your team to handle more complex issues that require a human touch. Think about creating a comprehensive knowledge base that empowers customers to find answers to their questions on their own, reducing the burden on your support team. A well-organized knowledge base can include FAQs, how-to guides, and troubleshooting tips, making it easier for customers to resolve issues independently. GoHighLevel allows you to create automated workflows that trigger specific actions based on customer behavior, such as sending a personalized welcome email after a purchase. These workflows can be customized to fit the unique needs of your business, ensuring that every customer receives a tailored experience that makes them feel valued and appreciated. Or, following up with a customer who has abandoned their cart. Automated cart recovery emails can remind customers of the items they left behind, offering incentives like discounts or free shipping to encourage them to complete their purchase. This not only helps recover lost sales but also shows customers that you care about their shopping experience. By automating your customer service processes, you can ensure a seamless and positive experience for your clients, fostering loyalty and driving repeat business. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat customers, and they are also more likely to recommend your business to others, helping you grow your customer base and increase your revenue. With GoHighLevel, you can take your customer service to the next level, ensuring that your clients are happy and satisfied around the clock.